If WellSeeker encounters an error that causes a slide sheet to become corrupted, lose its data, or get deleted entirely, it is possible to recover the slide sheet using the daily activities entered into the daily report. Please note that this process will overwrite any remaining data in the slide sheet. It also cannot be undone, so for safety, it is a good idea to back up your database before you start. To do so, open the File menu in the main WellSeeker interface, and then select Backup Database. This will allow you to save a backup copy of your database on your computer. The Backup Database option only works if you are accessing a local database saved on your machine. If you are logged into a remote server database, we recommend that you do the following. Export the well in question to a local database and perform the recovery there. Once complete, you can export just the reporting data from the local database and then import it back into the remote server database. To perform the recovery, first close your slidesheet window. Then right-click on the actual well that contains the slidesheet having issues, then select Reporting and Recover Slidesheet from DDR. This will open the Select BHAs window. Select which BHA or BHAs you want to recover the slidesheet for by clicking the corresponding checkbox in the Recover column. In this case, I have lost the slidesheet for BHA5 entirely, so I will select BHA5. Then click on OK. You may get a message asking if you want to repair errors in the slidesheet headers. If this is the case, just click on Yes. You will also get a warning saying that this process cannot be undone. Click on Yes to continue. If successful, you should get a message saying that the slidesheet has been recovered. You can now open the slidesheet and view your recovered data. WellSeeker performs the recovery by looking for rotary drilling and slide drilling activities that are assigned to the selected BHA in the daily report. It will then transfer the date, start time, end time, start depth, and end depth of these activities to the slidesheet. It will also attempt to read the drilling parameters from the activity description and transfer them to the parameters in the slidesheet. However, this will only work if the description is written in this format, as if it had been imported using the Get DDR from Run Sheet button. The success of the recovery depends on how up-to-date your drilling activities are in the daily report. If your activities are not fully up-to-date, then the slidesheet will only be partially recovered. To avoid total loss of data, it is recommended good practice that you use the backup database feature mentioned earlier on a regular basis, such as at least once a shift.